Smaller, even smaller. This is JIYI UAV 1-person operation 2 liters agricultural drone C2. JIYI C2 is a portable agricultural drone as smaller as an outdoor camping chair. The 2-liter drone can be carried in your car trunk. 1 person is enough for filling the tank with pesticide and operating takeoff. 1 battery can support more than 2 tank spraying. It is compact-sized, enabling 1 person to operate in every procedure. After operation, you can just store the drone in your car trunk. Although the drone is exquisite, it is effective for small fields and challenging tasks, such as spraying for irregular field corner with dense crops, and avoiding obstacles. The drone will follow the terrain and always fly 1.5 meters above the crops. Supposing the flight speed is 4 meters per second, the working efficiency is up to 0.03 hectares per minute. That is JIYI UAV 1-person operation agriculture drone C2, portable and affordable to the farmer. Yes, that's it. Get one right away.